Hello friends, welcome to Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. This video is intended to help all the students who have either passed their 12th examination or will be passing it. The first and foremost thing in this video we will talk about is universities. The major universities in the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, as you will see from the slides, has 13 major universities. You have a university in Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Sholapur, Amravati, Chandrapur, and Satara, as shown in this slide. And then we have Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technical University in Lonere. We have Aurangabad University. We have Marathwada University in Nanded, Bharati Vidyapeeth University in Pune, and North Maharashtra University in Jalgaon. So let's talk about the colleges in Mumbai. In Mumbai, you have got roughly around 30 colleges or maybe more. The topmost college, which was established in 1887, is VJTI. Then you have Sabu Siddiq College of Engineering, which was established in 1936. Then you have Sardar Patel College of Engineering in 1962. Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering in 1964. Kohinoor Technical Institute in 1967. And so on and so forth. So go through both these slides and write down a few notes about the colleges in Mumbai. Now for the Mumbai section, I would like you to highlight several colleges from my personal experience. The first one is VJTI. Second one is Sardar Patel College of Engineering. Third one is Mahatma Gandhi College of Engineering and Technology, number 8. And the fourth one is Ramarao Adik Institute of Technology, number 9. From the next slide, you need to select Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Technology, which was established in 1984. And that's basically it in Mumbai. Although my personal preference, if financially you are able to make that decision, is to select a college in Mumbai. Why? Because this gives you a wide variety in terms of campus placements. Second major region in Maharashtra with engineering college footprint is Pune. In Pune, you will find through this presentation, there are roughly 30 colleges that you can select from. Most important, in my opinion, is College of Engineering Pune, which was established in 1854. Then you have Kursu Wadia Institute of Technology. However, it gives only diploma. You have Bharati Vidyapeeth, 1964. Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Pune Institute of Computer Technology. Make a tick mark on Pune Institute of Computer Technology. And PVG's College of Engineering and Technology. Then for girls, you have Cummins College of Engineering. This is a girls only college. Similarly, like previous slides, you have multiple other colleges. You have Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, which started in 2002. In my opinion, this is also one of the good colleges. Now, all the colleges that I am talking about as good ones are simply based on my personal experience, as I finalized my engineering also from Maharashtra and I heard a lot of good stuff about these colleges. So take your time, invest this 1 hour, it is gonna pay you significantly in your life because you will be able to select the right college after going through all this information. And always remember that if you have any question regarding the college, regarding the branch you want to select, send an email at the email ID shown. This is the moment when you should be clarifying all the doubts, and I don't want that the mistake that I did when I was going into the counseling unprepared, any one of you should repeat that one. That is why I have created this video and I hope it is gonna help you. So the next slide talks about all the colleges in Aurangabad. As you can see, there are multiple colleges in Aurangabad as well. The oldest one was created in 1960, which is Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. Then you have Baba Ambedkar Marathwada University in 1961, and so on. Make a list and select the best one for you. If you want, you can check their individual credentials by following the lists. The next slide talks about the colleges in Nagpur. Nagpur is also a major educational hub in Maharashtra. You will see that there are many colleges in Nagpur, and some of the famous ones also are under this university. So take a good look at these colleges, and like I mentioned, if you need more information, you can do a self set of research by going through their personal websites as shown in the presentation. Now, as we keep moving forward on this presentation, you will see the colleges in Amravati, right now Ahmednagar, and all other colleges in Maharashtra. I have tried to have the most accurate list of these colleges. What I would recommend is that you verify this list with the admission documents, the brochure that you will be getting either from the university itself or the college wherever you are applying. For Kashmiri migrants, you should be getting this brochure when you pay for the application to the respective Samiti representatives in your state in India. And finally, you will see that I have clubbed all the rest of Maharashtra colleges together, which has Nasik, Osmanabad, Palghar, and other districts included. Now that you have looked at almost all the colleges in Maharashtra, let's have a look at the top 25 colleges according to the top ranking issued by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. You have Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, which is not part of the Migrant Quota. You have Institute of Chemical Technology. You have VNIT, Nagpur, College of Engineering, Pune. You have Bharti Vidyapeeth, Pune, VJTI, Mumbai, Nursing Monji, Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Then you have multiple other colleges which are scattered in Nagpur, Bombay, Mumbai, Sangli, Pune, and Navi Mumbai. And in the end, you will see a couple more colleges in Mumbai, suburbs, and Pune. So, looking at the top 25 colleges, it is quite obvious that the college you want to choose, and if you have the choice, should be either in Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, or just one college in Sangli. These are the ones that made to the top 200 colleges in India in 2019. Now, with this, at the end of this presentation, you have the eligibility criteria for general students without any reservation, and you also have eligibility criteria for Kashmiri migrants. This information is gonna help you fill in the application form that you should be getting either directly from the universities or from the association that is supporting Jammu and Kashmir migrants in the whole process of admissions. Please note that I am or the channel is not involved in the selection or the admission process. We created this video only to help you make the right decision. Great. So let's recap. You had the list of the colleges. You now know the year these colleges were established. You know about Maharashtra the geography of Maharashtra, where these cities and districts are located. You also know about the top 4 questions that are necessary to be answered before selecting your higher studies in the field of engineering. And more importantly, you know the ranking of top 25 colleges as issued by Government of India. You should be using all this information together to shortlist the college and then the branch for yourself. This decision is going to make a lot of impact on your career. Why? If you study in a college that has got campus placements, then in my personal opinion, you grow at least 15% faster than other students. I hope you found the content of this presentation informative and helpful. Please press the share, subscribe, and bell icon, and I wish you all the best in the application process.